listen to all the sounds of the animals at the zoo. You can hear the lions roaring at the zoo.
Roar!
You can hear the lions roaring at the zoo.
Roar!
You can hear the lions roaring. Hear the lions roaring. You can hear the lions roaring at the zoo. You can hear the zebras braying at the zoo. You can hear the zebras braying at the zoo. You can hear the zebras braying. Hear the zebras braying. Hear the zebras braying at the zoo. You can hear the elephants trumpeting at the zoo. You can hear the elephants trumpeting at the zoo. You can hear the elephants trumpeting. Hear the elephants trumpeting. You can hear the elephants trumpeting at the zoo. You can hear the bears growling at the zoo. You can hear the bears growling at the zoo. You can hear the bears growling. Hear the bears growling. You can hear the bears growling at the zoo. Of animal sounds. I brought along some magic miniatures today at my learning lab, and I need your help to decide which magic miniatures start with the yee 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 that goes with the letter Y, and which magic miniatures begin with the z z z sound that goes with the letter Z. Can you help me out? Amazing! Let's go. My first magic miniature is zoo. What sound do you hear at the beginning of zoo? Did you hear the Z at the beginning? Me too. Let's sing and sort the zoo sign all the way to the Z bucket. Z is for zoo, zoo, zoo. Z is for zoo, z, z, z. Into the bucket. My next magic miniature is a yo-yo. What sound do you hear at the beginning of yo-yo? Did you hear the yee at the beginning? Thumbs up, me too. And that's the sound that goes with the letter Y. Let's sing and sort it all the way to the Y bucket. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo, yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo, yee, yee, yee. Into the Y bucket. All right. I have a zipper. Did you hear the Z at the beginning of zipper? Thumbs up, me too. Let's sing and sort zipper all the way to the Z bucket because I know that the Z is the sound that goes with the letter Z. Z is for zipper, zipper, zipper. Z is for zipper, z, z, z. Into the Z bucket. Let's try our next magic miniature. Is yellow. What do you hear at the beginning of the word yellow? Did you hear the yee at the beginning? Thumbs up. I did too. That means that we're going to put yellow into the Y bucket because The Y sound is the sound that goes with the letter Y. Let's sing and sort it all the way to the Y bucket. Y is for yellow, yellow, yellow. Y is for yellow, yee, yee, yee. Into the Y bucket. All right, let's try one more magic miniature. I have a zigzag. What do you hear at the beginning of zigzag? Did you hear the z? Thumbs up. Me too. And I know that's the sound that goes with the letter Z. Wow, this is great work. Let's go ahead and sing our zigzag all the way to the Z bucket. Z is for zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Z is for zigzag, z, z, z. Into the Z bucket. Wow, I've had so much fun sorting our magic miniatures. Let's get out our marker and our whiteboard. And if you have one at home too, and with your grown-up's permission, you can join me in writing words on our board. Let's use our sounds today to write first words. My first word is yam. Let's listen to the sounds. Y, a, yam. I heard the y at the beginning, and I know that's the sound that goes with the letter Y. So I'm going to write a Y in the first box. All right, let's stretch it out. Yeah, That's the sound that goes with the short A. So I'm going to put a short A in the middle box. Yam. Did you hear the at the end? And that's the sound that goes with the letter M. So I'm going to put an M in the last box. Get out your reading finger. Yam. Thumbs up. Do you know what else I notice about this word? There's a little word inside the big word. Am. Wow, that's impressive. Yam. Blended yam. Let's try another word. My next word is yip. Let's listen to the word yip on our chin. Here we go. Yip. What did you hear at the beginning of yip? Did you hear the y? That's the sound that goes with the letter Y. So I'm going to put a Y in my first box. All right, stretch it out so we can hear that tricky middle sound. I heard the and I know that's the sound that goes with the letter I. So I'm going to put an I in the middle box. All right, let's listen to that last sound. That's the sound that goes with the letter P. So I'm going to put a P in the last box. Get out your reading finger. Here we go. Blended yip.